Most people shouldn't. Straight up. I've been on the platform for the past years. I was community make 30K a month. Scaling another right now, past 30K a month. And most people shouldn't, because they should just focus on the main thing. And you shouldn't make your main community public, because then people feel less comfortable engaging in there, and it's not worth the SEO. Now, if you're cooking and you like writing like a blog kind of thing, then a free community works pretty well. Good examples of this are Evelyn's community, where she has a free community and it's basically just her free stuff. So if I pull that up real quick, so it's basically just her free stuff, right? Or there's also this one. Alright, cool. Outside of that, just don't do it, bro. Shut up. Just, it's not necessary.